Not that.
Snake, huh?
It's already 106 there. And one good kick. That's the story. How was T-Fox?
Trent Foxenworth.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Of course.
Of course. What should we play?
That's what I was thinking.
On it? That makes sense.
Oh, from above. Didn't expect the weather to be that bad. Watch out for that roof.
The home run contest.
Oh,
What's that?
epic. Felt like doing a dance under the ridge. Mont. That house. DR.
I like it.
I pressed down when I block. Didn't really help. Forgot how to play this. I've been playing with the nunchuck so much at work.
Well, it's gay.
It is, but it's better than not playing. Oh. Actually, like forgetting how to use the game.
That's not a good thing.
No, it's not.
Drugstore. Is that where you buy potions and ethers?
Yep.
Gummies?
Buy potions and eekers. Eekers, I mean, beakers and petri dishes.
Ganon drop might not be as effective as I thought. I was playing with Sam and Justin, but I guess they don't roll off at falls. I can't even execute.
Oh.
Can't even execute.
Mega Man execute. I have a bomb. Bomb nade. Bull plop. Ah,
I wish they made that stronger.
yeah, it's not strong enough.
Seriously though. It feels so powerful. It's only marginally powerful.
Those cars aren't as strong as they used to be.
I know, neither of the stupid Corneria ships don't even stun you. They just damage you.
Kept you waiting. Kept you jumping. Feels like cheese good. Grab your crotch and raise you one kick.
Grab me my crotch. Can't even exit.
Balls. Just a box the size of a house. Or a door. There'd be a fridge in there.